shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for October 21st, 2019. Today we're going to be bullish on the SPY above 299.50, pretty key level. We'll see if we can break above. Bearish below 298. We do have an older dark pool level, 298.21 and 298.11. So that's why I am bearish below those levels. Let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 299.750, which we are just on right now. And bearish below 29.8850 for the E-minis. Let's go to the Russell. For the Russell, we're going to be bullish above 154. And we're going to be bearish below 152.50. And we are just on that 154 level right now. We'll see if we can hold above that. The QQQs, we're going to be bullish above 192.50, and we are just on that level as well. Bearish below 192 for the QQQs. I went over the NASDAQ futures, did all the futures this morning. The NASDAQ futures bullish above 79.1250, bearish below 78.90. And wow, they're just taking off right now. Look at them go. All right, we're going to check out the Russell next. The Russell bullish above 1550 and bearish below 1542. And then we'll just go to the Dow futures. Bullish above 26,852. And yeah, Boeing is definitely weighing heavily on those Dow futures. And we're going to be bearish below 26,775. The oil futures, let me just bring those guys. Hold on a minute. So I'm still out of town in New York, and I had a little bit of tech issues this morning, but we'll take care of that in a moment. Let's just go to the oil futures. Oil futures, we're going to be bullish above 53.75 for retracement trade up to the pivot, and we're going to be bearish below 53.25. See if we can hold those levels, and then we'll go to the gold futures because we got to watch gold. We've had massive prints coming into gold. IAU 1437 is the key level, but these gold futures will be bullish above 1499 if we can break above here, and bearish below 1490 if we go below the pivot. That's going to be bearish for those guys. Let's go to some individual stocks this morning, and I know I posted them out individually for you so you would have them. I was having trouble with my Snagit this morning. So bullish above 33 for YNDX and bearish below 32. I did spot a seller at 33.20. Let me just pull these guys up. Let's go to AMD. All right, AMD, we're going to be bullish above 31.60 and bearish below 31.20. Some really good pre-market volume. It does have earnings coming up on 10/29. So be careful. That will be next week, next Tuesday. All right, so this week is good, but just be careful if you're going to jump into options that you don't pick next week's. We're going to switch over to Apple. Apple had some pretty big prints last week, and we are above them. We're going to be bullish above 238.25 and bearish below 236. Roku. A lot of my traders love to trade Roku. Now, we had a huge buyer at 126 right here on the iNet, NASDAQ Book Viewer, and bigger buyer on the Arca book right at that 126. So that is a key level to watch for Roku. Okay, yeah, we're obviously bullish above that, but the next major level is 130, so watch that. We'll be bearish if we do break below 125. Let's go to TLT. We are below some massive prints on TLT, by the way. Only be bullish above 140 for a retracement trade. Bearish below 138.50 for TLT. And let's go to Teva. I know there was some news this morning. There was a lot of prints last week at $7.30, 3.5 million. So we'll be bullish above 780 and bearish below 7. And last but certainly not least is Boeing. Yeah, Boeing getting hammered. We do have a level 340. I'll be bullish above that for a retracement trade. And I'll be bearish below 335, which it just dipped below that. All the way down to 320 is a very key level. For those of you in the Java pit, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, watch that 320 level if we do start to move down there. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for October 21st. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.